Hi there, Chris here. So I have this very, very cool little Lockwood laminated padlock. It was sent to be my butcher's block, and I am going to try and pick it with one of the gorgeous, gorgeous picks that he sent me. Let me take a key off here, if I can. And show you that it works. If you put the key in correctly. Nice little snap. And there it is. And I believe it's a 4-pinner. That's the bitting. So let us give it a shot here. So I'll show you these picks one more time. They're absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. All right. I mean, and I keep coming back to this. I particularly like the brass running through it. I love the look of brass against the wood. So, but it's just not just a pretty face. They're not just pretty, they're effective. So here we go. We're gonna go in. I'm gonna go kind of side saddle here with one of my top of the key tension or my, what are they called? I can't remember. Universal tension wrench. I have a bit of a false set, and I believe we're in. There we go. Let's do that again. Let us do the other one. And this looks like their regular Lockwood. It looks like the regular Lockwood keyway, except, you know, it's just tiny. I could be mistaken there. So now we're going to take this one. Having trouble. Is one set? No. All right, hold on. I got to reposition my wrench. There we go. Somebody in the back. That'll teach me. That'll teach me. I always go and say, yeah, there you're done. Let me try something else. Will that go? That won't go. This is probably too big, but what the heck. I'll try this one. I gave the lock a chance to come back, and it's coming back. Oh, somebody. That one. Well, I was setting them. I'm going back to that other pick. let's see how this is working. Oh, it still works. It's not it. It seems to be me. Well. Okay, I'm not binding. There we go. I'll tell you, this this one likes this little Lockwood. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you, Butcher's Block. These things are gorgeous. Thank you for the all very cool locks, and they are hard, I might add. I've had quite a few goes at this. The springs are so strong, and there's so many tough spools. I think I've gotten close to setting it, but not quite. I'm working on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. We will see you next time.